Hey guys, it's Professor Diener. Welcome to TVRA 129 Concept and Story. It's going to be a fun but quick 6-week summer one course. We will meet this week, June 1st and June 3rd. And then for the next 5 weeks, we will be meeting 3 days a week, Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. And it will be a really fun class. We're going to be learning to write mini documentaries, public service announcements, journalistic writing, and even a short film. So thanks for joining me. We will be meeting via Zoom, and I've sent everyone the link. So this week, I want you to remember that we are meeting at 12 noon on Tuesday, June 1st. That will be our first meeting, and we will also meet on June 3rd. That's Thursday, and then for the next 5 weeks, we'll be meeting 3 days a week. So I will be momentarily uploading the syllabus so you guys can take a look at that. Also, I have module 1 and 2 up, so you guys can take a look at those as well. So I will be looking forward to meeting all of you on Tuesday, June 1st. Take care.